Hey everyone, welcome back or welcome to Making It with Molia. My name is Severine and let me show you how easy it is to make your own designs using Cricut Design Space for either your tote bag or t-shirt business. I recently purchased a Cricut maker to start my small business and guys, I am in love with it. There are so many products you can produce with this mighty machine. So let's get started. So here is the Cricut Design Space main page. To get started with your project, click on My Projects, New, and then Upload. Normally, we would click on Upload Image and then browse any files we have saved on our computer already. But since we've already uploaded the images, we're going to click on Cancel and go back. Okay, so I'm gonna scroll through my options right now, and this is one I had done for my sister. So let's click on Add to Canvas. I created this image in Procreate, and that's why you see it's quite large. So let's zoom out. Okay, we're gonna scroll down here, and we're gonna click on the resizing option, and let's resize it. We're going to see this warning icon here. It just simply means that the image is way too large to either print or cut. So we're going to resize it. Now we're going to zoom in to 100%. Scroll back down. Alrighty. Now I want some shapes, so let's put some shapes into it. Okay, we got a full circle here. Let's do that. Let's resize the circle. And I want to change the color. So you can change the colors right here. I'd like to go to Advanced. And let's see my color options. And you can see the preview right there. So let's just change the color. Bit darker. Yep, I like this right here. You can click out of that. And I want to position my items here. So let's send this to back. Well, let's send backwards actually. Yeah, there we go. Okay. And now I want to add a Monstera leaf. So to do that, we're going to click on Images. Then we're going to type Monstera. So this A here, it just means that you have access to these images with your plan. I paid the monthly 30-day plan. I believe it's about $12 a month Canadian. And then the free options will be like this. And unfortunately, there's no free Monstera plant leaf or plant option. Let's scroll down. Let's see what options we have. I think this is the one. Yep, this is the one I wanted. So let's just click on that. And let's click on Add to Canvas. Awesome. I like the color just as it is. So we're going to click on Send to Back. Let's click on this one. Let's send to back. Yes, because I want the Monstera leaf on top. This. We're shading little baby boy. Alright. I like it just like that. So we're going to group this together. And to get rid of the black lines, we're just going to click on Flatten. Alrighty, so there you have it. This is how easy it is, guys, to make your own design in Cricut Design Space. As you see, I used my own creation and incorporated some of the elements available in Design Space. On my next video, I'll be showing you guys how I print and transfer my designs onto tote bags using my new StarCraft heat press. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I hope I was able to help you guys out. Click on the subscribe and notification button so you don't miss out on any of my next videos. Have a good day, guys, and see you in the next one. Bye.